everyone, Energetica India is at Intersolar Gujarat 2026. We are joined by Mr. Anumitra Ganguly, Senior Manager, Technology and Innovation, Dhash. Sir, how are you feeling today? It's the second day of the expo.
Yeah, obviously, the day one was not that much happening, but yeah, on the day two, we are seeing the crowds coming in a good manner. People are interested, people are asking so many questions, and we are happy to assist them with the solutions we are offering to the industry.
What are you showcasing at Intersolar this year?
Dash, since its inception in 2017, 8 years back, we started the manufacturing of PV junction boxes and the accessories of the junction boxes. Over a period of 8 years, we have increased our product portfolio, and in the recent times, we have started manufacturing of the DC cables with a capacity of 1000 kilometers per day, and also we have started manufacturing of the ribbons and the bus bars for the solar PV modules.
Tell us about any new trends that you might have observed at Intersolar this time in terms of the technologies being used.
See, so far the PV module industry is concerned, the only thing what we are seeing continuously over the past few years is the increase in the efficiency of the PV modules continuously. When we talk about the increase in the efficiency of the PV modules, the first part which comes into the picture is the junction box. When we call a junction box for a higher rated PV module, we have to consider a lot of technological factors before designing a junction box which meets the demands for the higher rated PV modules. Additionally, Dhash being a provider of a future ready solutions, we have the provision of providing the market, helping the market with the upcoming solutions which meets the demands of 2000 voltage category of products.
The component manufacturing in the solar industry has evolved enough in all these years. Tell us about this evolution, how it was earlier and what new has come in all these years and what more is expected in the future.
See, as I told, market has shifted in multiverse manner. Initially, people were working with the single-phased module, the monofacial PV modules. Over a period of time, the bifacial PV modules came with higher rating, higher capacity, and along with that, now people are talking of 2000 volt products over 1500 volt products. So all these changes has been very drastic and very fast. Every 6 months we are going to see a new technology, a new evolution in the industry, and Dhash, since its inception, always worked for the backward integration in its manufacturing process.
And what is next in the pipeline for Dhash? What are you giving us next? What products can we see in the near future?
See, as for the climatic conditions of India is concerned, there are a lot of installation scenario which demands the requirement of corrosive-free or corrosion-proof materials to be installed. So currently we are seeing solar modules which are framed with aluminum frame with certain level of anodizing on the aluminum frame. But the anodizing thickness is not going to last in case of such severe corrosive environments. In such scenario, Dhash has come up with a unique solution, that is the manufacturing of composite frames, which is manufactured of some different category of materials, which is a corrosion proof material and can be installed in a hassle free manner without any issues in terms of reliability or long term performance.
Thank you, sir, for letting us know about your products. We wish Dhash all the very best and may you have a great time at Intersolar. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.